Hi everyone, welcome back to Web of Life. Migration is the natural wonder that has fascinated humans for centuries. And most of us might be familiar and think of migration as the seasonal movement of birds. Actually, there are many other forms of animals migration also happening in nature. Migrating animals are found in all major branches of the animal kingdom, from the smallest insects to the largest whales. We know humans also have the history of migration from the beginning of the world. Many animals frequently respond to the environmental changes in their current habitats by migrating to other locations. Every year, millions of animals participate in the epic journey, maybe thousands of miles, by land, sea, or air. Animals migrate for a variety of reasons in search of food, shelter, or mating opportunities. Anyways, migration is an adaptation that helps animals to survive. And it is very much important for the health and balance of the ecosystems. India also has its share of fascinating animal migrations. One of them is the mass migration of milkweed butterflies of southern India. It may sound strange, but like birds, animals, or fish, butterflies also migrate. People are often surprised to see swarms of butterflies moving in a particular direction. These large swarms may contain thousands or more butterflies. What is more interesting is that these journeys are usually one way, and the travelers do not return to the place of their birth. It is always the successive generations will return. Butterflies move or migrate from one place to another for several reasons. The main reason is to find the best conditions that will ensure the survival of migrating adults as well as their successive generations. Such movements could be very local or to a distant habitat. Butterfly migrations are known to happen mainly due to the seasonal changes in temperature or shortage of food plants. Day length, rainfall, and temperature changes are known to trigger their movements. Mass migration happens in southern India. It is one of the most wonderful long distance migrations of butterflies in the world. In most parts of the world, including India, butterfly migrations are temperature related. But in the Western Ghats, the unique multi-species butterfly migration is determined by rains, that is the monsoons. Some particular species of butterflies migrate from the Western Ghats to the Eastern Ghats on the onset of southwest monsoon and return from the Eastern Ghats to the Western Ghats on the onset of northeast monsoon. Usually the mass migration starts during September-December with the onset of northeast monsoon. Several thousands of milkweed butterflies have been observed migrating from the plains to the hills. They begin to fly from the plains of South India towards the sheltered regions of the Western Ghats. They assemble in large clusters and breed on the Ghats during the winter-summer periods. Most of the adults die after laying eggs, by normal death or by eaten by predators such as birds or small mammals. But once these eggs hatch and metamorphose into butterflies, the newly emerged next generation returns back During April-June, just before the arrival of southwest monsoon, the progeny starts returning to the plains below and towards the Eastern Ghats. This movement is mainly to avoid and to escape from the heavy monsoons. The habitat is not suitable in the Western Ghats as the temperature is too low for them to breed. The newly arrived migratory butterflies on the plains breed there during the monsoon. And their progeny will migrate back to the Western Ghats in next September-December season. This bidirectional migration helps the butterflies to avoid extreme monsoon during their life cycles. So it is well known that they are not the same butterflies, but the progeny will return to both the sides. And they accomplish their long journey with the several breaks of days or even months. Also, they face many hardships during their journey. The weather may not be favorable, climate change problems, pollution, road kills, and loss of nectar and host plants by the use of pesticides. Like that, so many problems to overcome. Because of these, researchers say sometimes this mass migration is happening very less in number or not happening at all. Like any other countries, information on butterfly migration in India is still to be completed. Careful documentation over a longer period is needed to get a complete picture. No one exactly knows how their homing system works. It is another one of many unanswered questions in nature. But one thing we must not forget. They may look small, but these wonderful creatures play the crucial role in the ecosystems by having the role of prey, predator, and the pollinators. Most importantly, they make the world more colorful, and they are the indicators of healthy ecosystems. In this video, you can see some of the visuals of the recent mass migrations. Plains to the Ghats migration happened already in September last year. And their progeny are now on their return migrants to the plains as the heavy monsoon is approaching. Return migration started on first week of April. Both the migrations were seen in Devala, Nilgiris from morning around 6:30 until afternoon for a couple of days. Millions of dark blue tiger along with common crow butterflies were seen on their annual mass migration. And I feel very lucky and fortunate enough to witness and capture both. And their migration was such a visual treat to be enjoyed as millions of them being fluttered up. Remember one thing, they are coming to delight us. And the best thing we can do is to provide better habitats and just let them come. We will see more topics in the coming vlogs. Thank you all.